Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Federal government don approve the reduction of electricity tariff for band A customers to 206 naira 80 kobo per kilowatt from 225 naira per kilowatt. Band A customer be customer wey dey enjoy minimum of 20 hours light every day. Inside the notice wey Ikeja Electric send to im customer, na there dem explain say the tariff for band A go start today wey be 6th of May 2024 with 20 to 24 hours light guarantee every day. The tariff for band B, C, D and E no change at all. If una remember say Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission (NEC) increase band A tariff from 68 naira per kilowatt to 225 naira per kilowatt. Band A customers dem be the customer wey dey enjoy 20 to 24 hours light every day. Those wey dey under B dey enjoy 16 to 20 hours power supply, when C dey receive 12 to 16 hours light every day. NEC also tok say band A customers no pass 15% of their total customer for the country. Dem come add am join say dis band A customer no go dey enjoy subsidy from government again. Dis talk don generate many reactions from human rights lawyer like Femi Falana wey be senior advocate of Nigeria. E say federal government dey work padi-padi with International Monetary Fund (IMF) and World Bank to increase electric tariff. Falana tok say Minister of Power dey act according to the script wey IMF and World Bank give am. Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) Ikeja branch also tok say dem give federal government, NEC and DISCOs 7-day ultimatum make dem take reverse to the old tariff or face charge for court because government no reason am well before dem increase the tariff by 300%. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Terrorists don launch another fresh attack for Ambe community where dem kill 6 people as 9 other people injure from gunshot for Sanga local government area, Kaduna. The youth leader of dis community, Michael Aude, confirm dis incident today. According to him, the terrorists enter the community with okada and open fire inside one house where dem dey do birthday, but dem no kill anybody apart from the people wey sit down near some shops. Micah say vigilante catch one of the attackers wey ride okada but e no fit identify am. Na sharparly dem hand over am to authorities for action as dem try to rush those wey injure go hospital. E say dem don direct security go the community. Peace don dey now as dem try to bury the 6 people wey change address. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. One papa don lose im 9-year-old daughter on top say Access Bank mobile app no function well. Na individual person wey identify himself as Pidum Nigeria carry dis one come outside. The father, wey dem no wan mention im name, no fit do transfer with Access Bank app when dem need money urgently for her daughter wey dey emergency unit for one local hospital. Dem say dis one no make hospital at ten d to am until the pikin die. The papa, wey be single papa wey dey work offshore, tell the bad experience as blame the situation on Access Bank app failure. E say na dis one make am lose im daughter wey dey emergency, and how many people don experience dis kind bad thing in the past, but up till now Access Bank never respond to dis allegation. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership newspaper. Senate President Godswill Akpabio don urge country people make dem get patience as President Bola Tinubu dey try to clear the mess wey dey economy. Akpabio say the economy dey foamy and wobbling as former CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele leave am. Na dis one cause the big problem wey country people dey face. Akpabio say na big economic problem Tinubu inherit and e dey try to solve the problem small small. Senate President tok dis one come outside for Ikotekpene Stadium over the weekend when im town people from Akwa Ibom Northwest Senatorial District host am and im National Assembly colleague since e become Senate President last year. Akpabio say im don first tok am say na Emefiele cause economic problem, but Emefiele because of dis tok carry am go court and im go still continue dey tok am despite say di matter dey court. Akpabio come express im confidence say di economy go bounce back stronger as e assure say President Tinubu get di magic wey e go take put di economic back to good shape as e don do am wen e dey governor for Lagos. Akpabio assure pipo for state south region and all di kontri pipo say country go dey beta again. E also assure di host governor Pastor Umo Eno of di deep sea port and oda federal government projects wey dey for road as e urge am to liaise wit managing director of NDDC Chief Samuel Ogbuku make e ex ten d di road project from neighbouring Abia state to Ine, Ikono, Ikotekpene to connect to Uyo, di state capital. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership newspaper. Di speaker for Edo State House of Assembly Blessing Agbebaku from People's Democratic Party (PDP) don suspend 3 lawmakers today. We hear say di suspension get something to do wit plot to impeach Agbebaku and 3 other principal officers. Di name of di lawmakers wey dem suspend be Donald Okogbe from PDP Akoko Edo 2, Bright Inyamu PDP Oyon 1-2 and Ade Isibo from APC Esan North East 2. Wen Agbebaku dey announce di suspension, e accuse di lawmakers say external forces dey influence dem to cause katakata so dat dem go remove di leadership of di assembly. Di speaker repeat am say some pipo bring native doctors to assembly complex for midnight on May 1st, 2024, do some incantations and drop juju there, but dis suspension don cause ten sion for assembly as di lawmakers wey dem suspend tok say speaker no get right to by imself suspend anybody. E suppose call for vote make all members of di assembly vote on di matter. Dis one come make Agbebaku quickly adjourn di matter. Further tori dey inside di Nation newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.